anytime I catch a giant bleed out, meaning a big red candle, even if it's real quick, I will jump in it. I don't care if the second I start to see this, I will get in this monster right when it's like, I will immediately flip my screen, boom, jump in it because typically there will still be a tail end of it that I'll still make money from. So if I catch a bleeder, not necessarily up this way, but definitely this way, if I see it coming down fast, like this candle, I will hammer it because even if I get the little tail end of it, I am almost guaranteeing myself, if there's such a thing in stock market trading, to catch the end and make some money, right? I'll do
Thank you,
that
coach.
every time. There's a golden nugget for all of you.